So what happens in augment method of game theory is you can use augment method for any kind of 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, whenever there is a 3 by 3 game matrix, okay, then only you can use augment, first of all. Secondly, you can see 3 by 3 matrix can be reduced to 3 by 2 or 2 by 3, okay, by using dominant principle. So this is not like you cannot reduce the matrix, okay. You can reduce it to 3 by 2, 2 by 3. Again, what you can do, if it is 3 by 2, you will reduce the row, then it will become 2 by 2. Or if it is 2 by 3, you will reduce the column and it will become 2 by 2. And then you can solve it by algebraic method if you remember, okay. But what happens, sometimes you are not able to reduce 3 by 3 matrix, not reducible, okay. So when the matrix is not reducible by dominance method, because there is only one method to solve 3 by 3 matrix, if we don't consider the augment method to reduce, if the dominance method is not possible, if this is not possible to reduce the matrix, then we have to use another method which is called as augment method. Augment method converts what? It converts 3 by 3 matrix to 2 by 2 matrix. Remember, okay, it directly converts 3 by 3 to 2 by 2. Okay, as simple as that. Now what we will do is, I'll just explain you. This is B1, this is B2, this is B3. Matlab player B is having three strategies, B1, B2, B3, and player A is having three strategies, A1, A2, A3. Now what we have to do is, we have to take the difference of first and second column. 7 minus 1, 6. You have to write it here only, huh? Not like that method where what we used, okay? Not like algebraic method. It is different. In the algebraic method, we used to write it as some at the opposite corner. Not in this. What you do in this is, you write 7 minus 1, 6. 1 minus 7, again write it minus 6. Don't change the sign, okay? Then 9 minus of minus 1, 10. Correct? 9 minus of minus will be 9 plus 1. Minus 1 will be minus 2. Okay, next 5 minus 7, minus 2. 7 minus 6, 1. I've got all the values. Now what I'll do is, again, column wise, if I do row wise, sorry, 7 minus 9, minus 2, 9 minus 5, 4. 1 minus of minus will be plus, 1 plus 1 will be 2. Minus 1 minus 7 will be minus 8. 7 minus 1, 6. Okay, we are taking the difference. And 1 minus 6 is minus 5. So I hope I have got all the values. Now I need to find augment for, there are how many strategies? 3 strategies for A1 and 3 strategies for, sorry, 3 strategies for A and 3 strategies for B. So I will find augment for A1. Okay. Now I'll explain you what is augment for A1. Okay. So augment for A1, if you want to find the augment for A1, so you should leave this value and this will become augment. Okay. I hope you understood. Iska determinant will become the augment. So 10 minus 2 minus 2 1. इसका determinant लेने का 10 minus 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 2 into 2 4 will be equal to what? 6. So if it is positive, keep it positive. If it is negative, then take determinant, sorry, mod of A1. Okay, what I'm saying is mod of A1 and make it positive. If it is positive, not an issue. If it is not positive, take mod of A1 and make it positive. Okay, now similarly we will take augment of A2. When we take augment of A2, 10 and minus 2 will give away. This will go away. What will remain is 6 minus minus minus. I hope everyone can see. So 6 minus 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 will be minus. 6 into 2 is 12. So this is coming out to be minus 6. So mod of A2 will be equal to plus 6. Okay. We don't consider, matlab we do everything normal up to here. And whatever is the value, we take it to be positive. Okay. Now similarly we will find augment for A3. Okay, I think someone can help me out. Can anyone help me out? What will be the augment for A3? Minus 12, right? Is it right? Minus 12 minus minus plus 6 into 10 60. So it is positive. So mod of positive will be, can anyone tell me? Mod of positive will be, can anyone help me out? Guys, are you there?
Positive, yes.
Positive. So this value will be as it is. A3 will be equal to 48. I'm doing it slowly today, okay? I'm trying to complete it as slow as possible. Okay, now we will take oddment of B1. So when we take oddment of B1, so we will leave this value. Now what will remain is minus 10, then minus minus plus, correct? This is how much? 48, correct? So this will come out to be 38 if I am not wrong. Yeah, okay. Just check it once. Minus 10, minus minus plus, okay. So it will become 48. So minus 10 plus 48 will be 38. So mod of B1 will be 38 only. Okay. Now mod of B2. What will be augment of B2? Minus minus plus 10 minus 24. So this is coming out to be minus 14. So mod of B2 will be 14. Now augment of B3. What will be augment of B3? Augment of B3, 16 minus 8, it is coming out to be positive. So mod of B3 will also be positive 8. Okay. Has everyone understood till here? Has everyone understood till here?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Now what we will do is, I'll just take this question. Okay. I'll just take this question down. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is, I am going to write the value of oddment A1, oddment of A1, A2, A3. What is the value of oddment of, I'll just do one thing. I'll just put it in the center so that we can utilize the space effectively. So now what I'm going to do is, I am going to write, see, A1, A2, A3. Now oddment of A1, positive oddment 6. Sorry, what is the value of oddment A1? If we can see, yeah, 6, 6 and 48, A1, A2, A3. So we will write here 6, 6, 48. And for B2 we will write here, it is 38, correct? Then it is 14 and then it is 8, correct? Now we will see whether it is a multiple, whole multiple here. 6 ones are 6 ones are 6 8s are. So it is getting divided. So the next least value will be 1, 1, 8. Now we will see, is it divisible? Yeah, divisible by 2. So 2 4, sorry, 2 4s are, 2 7s are, and this will be 2, 2, 19. So what are the values that we are getting? 19, 7, 4. Similar on the lines of that only. Now what we will do, since this 3, all 3 are the situations, see, it was not getting reduced. Now if it is not getting reduced, what does it indicate? That the player A will play all the 3 strategies. That is the reason it was not getting reduced, correct? So if it is not getting reduced by dominance principle, automatically it means that player A will play all the 3 strategies. I hope everyone is getting. Okay? Is it okay?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
I want to say, suppose this value came out to be 0. Okay? Suppose this value came out to be 0. That means this question was possible to be solved by dominance also. What happens in dominance? That you can reduce, ठीक है, रो एंड एलिमेंट्री ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम 3/3 to, I have already stated, from 3/3 to you can either go 3/2 or 2/3. So if any one of this value comes out to be 0, that means the solution was also possible through dominance. Okay, and you had an option whether you go by dominance or you go by oddment. So if all 3 values are coming, that means the solution was not at all possible by dominance. Okay, so 1 plus 1 plus 8 is 10. So this probability will come out to be 1/10. This will again come out to be 1/10, and this will come out to be 8/10. Okay. Similarly, we will add 19 plus 7, 26 plus 4, 30. So this will come out to be 19/30. This will come out to be 7/30, and this will come out to be 4/30. Okay. So probability of A1, A2, A3 and B1, B2, B3, since all 3 values are there, it means that this matrix was not able to be reduced. Matlab, player A1 will play all the 3 strategies in different probabilities. Okay. Now one more thing that we can do is, see, the factor here is 30. The factor here is 30 and the factor here is 30 and the factor here is 30. So if we want, who is this person? Please mute your video. Don't put your video on. Okay. So see, the factor denominator is 30. So we should make common the denominator factor. So if I want to make 30, I have to multiply and divide it by 3. So this will be 3 by 10. This will be 3 by 30. This will also be 3 by 30. And this will be a 24 by 30. Sorry, this will also be 3 by 30 and this will be 24 by 30. Why am I doing this? Even if you don't do this, it's okay. But whenever we write probability, we should write it in the same denominator if we want to write. Even if we don't write, it's okay. So this value is 3 by 30. This value is A2 will also play the strategy as 3 by 30. And this one will play A3 strategy will be played by A as 24 by 30. And for A B1, it will be 19 by 30. 7 by 30, and again it will come out to be 4 by 30. Is it okay for everyone? Is it okay for everyone? Now,
Yes, sir.
what is the value of the game? I'll explain you value of the game. Now, for the value of the game, you have to do like something like this. 7 into 1. Okay? Simple. If you are taking columns, multiply it by columns. If you are taking row, any row and any column you can take. So I'll see what I'm doing. 7 into 1 plus 9 into 1. You can do it by any way, huh? Any column, any row you can multiply. And again you can write it as 5 into 8 upon 1 plus 1 plus 8. Okay? So this will come out to be 7 plus 9, 16, and this is 56. Correct now? 56. And this is 10. 1 plus 1 plus 8. Okay? So this will come out to be 5.6, or you can write 56 by 10 also. Okay? Now you could have find the value of game by another method also, like 9. Okay? If you want to do 9, that is also okay. Is it okay? Sorry, you have done this. You could have also done by this method. 1 into 1, 1, minus 1 into 1, minus 1. See, 8 into 7 is how much? 56. Again divided by 10. What you are getting is 56 by 10. You could have even done by this method. 7 into 1, 7. 1 into 1, 8, 1. So 7 plus 1, 8. Then 48 again. Then it is coming out to be 56. This is one way. I hope everyone is getting what I'm saying. I hope everyone is getting what I'm saying.
Yes, sir.
Okay. There is one more method. 118 na? Okay. There is one more method. You can even go column wise. How can you go column wise? See, this was 19. If you remember, this was 7 and this was 4. Now, if you want to go this way, sorry, you went column wise. You can even go row wise. Any row you can select. 7 into 19. Can you see 7 into 19? 19 sevens is how much? 19 sevens, I think 119, if I'm not wrong. No, just 133, I think. Calculate. Is it 133? 19 sevens are, yeah, 19 sevens are 133. Yeah, thank you. 7 into 1 is again 7, and 24 into 7 is 28 divided by 30, because 19 plus 7 plus 4 is 30. So now if you add it, this is 35, 133, 168 by 30. Try to find the multiples. 3 tens are, 3 fives are, 3 six are. See, again you are getting 56 by 10. Okay, so the value of the game is 56 by 10 with all the 3 probabilities active. Okay, all the 3 probability being active. Thank you.